Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I'm about to do a very high-level paint correction on my 2006 Z4 M Roadster. This is the E85 body style, and I'm going to be making kind of a long and a bunch of short videos for different formats. Facebook, Google My Business, YouTube, all different kinds of things. But before I start making this into a long video, because this is my idea of a short, I was just prepping this car for paint correction, and I just wanted to come out here and try and catch some of the effects that I've enjoyed using nothing on this car but ONR wipe down and using Opti-Seal as a drying aid. So I use kind of the Gary Dean method, right? I kind of roll my cloth, I start at the top, I go all along the car, I work lower and lower. I just wanted to get some of this real nice beading. I use it on the glass, and this is actual glass on these cars. So anyway, what I did was clean the wheels, because I do wheels tires first. I dress the tires last, but I used a combination of Grillos Garage iron fallout remover all over the rim. I then used Flash detailing called Brown Royal from Flash Detailing, and cleaned everything up. I clayed the wheels, and then I used mineral spirits, and I used a little Swiffer duster that is a great flat long-handled application to be able to really reach in there. So everything got really nailed down, and then it rained on me. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be using DPC SHIELD, and this is kind of the before effects, but this is the before. I just wanted to let you guys know that you can expect great things out of just using two products, just ONR and Opti-Seal. They're both extremely economical, and you will get great beading and protection. I keep this car, it's garaged. I only drive it once or twice a week. So anyway, I just thought I'd kind of share with you, and I will be sharing many videos upcoming in the very near future, depending on how much time my editing allows me, especially for the longer versions. So please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a share, comment, and I will see you. Enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Thank you very much.